The majority of the features and technology in your new car are controlled by the touchscreen, dependent on your model and specification. The system includes access to radio and audio, telephone, navigation, applications, climate control, vehicle settings, menu display, and main system settings. We have detailed videos available for you to watch on radio, telephone, and navigation. You can find them on citroen.co.uk, Citroën UK YouTube channel, or via the My Citroën app. The touchscreen comes on automatically when the ignition is turned on. To turn it off manually though, simply tap the main settings button and then turn off screen. Just tap anywhere on the screen to turn it back on. The system is enabled with Bluetooth. This allows you to connect a device for both media and calls. The touchscreen itself should only be operated by fingers. If it comes into contact with sharp objects, there is a risk that it will be damaged. If you want to clean it, simply use a soft cloth. There's no need for any added products. If you'd like to go directly back to the main menu page, touch the screen with 3 fingers and it will take you back. There are lots of features included with your new Citroën that can all be accessed via the touchscreen. Starting with the radio and audio menu. Once you've pushed the music and audio button, you then have a number of options. Working from left to right, you have options, frequency, preset, lists, and sources. When you select options, a new menu is brought up. From this, you're able to select radio stations, music files stored on your vehicle, change the radio settings, manage any photos stored on the car, and access the audio settings to suit your needs, such as bass and treble. To return to the main menu, click the arrow in the top left-hand corner. The next menu option is frequency. Within this menu, you can decide which band you'd like the car to run the radio through. Choose from DAB, FM, or AM. From the preset option, you can decide which radio stations you'd like to be able to quickly access from the audio and music home screen. If you'd like to add or change a radio station in your preset menu, hold down either an empty box or the one you'd like to change, and then choose your preferred radio station from the list provided. The list button will allow you to see all of the radio stations available in the band you have selected. Changing the band, for example from DAB to FM, will show a different list of radio stations. You can then scroll through the radio stations and make your choice. The source buttons will let you choose which audio source you listen to from radio, iPod, Bluetooth, USB, and video files available on your car. Don't forget to check out our other video that gives you all the detail on the radio in your Citroën. When you select the car settings menu, it will bring up a number of other menus that will let you change how the car is set up to suit your needs. Within driving functions, you can edit the parking sensors, traction control, and tyre under inflation initialization. Within vehicle settings, there are menus for parking, headlights, comfort, and safety. In the safety menu, you'll be able to alter the recommended speed display, driver's attention warning, and blind spot sensors. You can switch these on or off by pressing the on-off part of the touchscreen. There's also the I button. This will provide you with more information about these settings if you need it. In the comfort button, you'll be able to change the mood lighting, whether it's only the driver's door that unlocks when using the unlock key button, and the same for the boot, hands-free opening, and motorised tailgate or door. The headlights menu again has a number of options to further personalise your car to your needs. Guide me home lighting, for example. You can alter the length of time that these lights are on by pressing the settings menu to the right of menu option. Welcome lighting. Again, you can turn these on and off, and also alter the length of time they're on for via the settings cog on the right. Directional headlights can be switched on and off via the touchscreen, and you can use the I button for more information should you need it. In the parking option, You can select whether the door mirrors fold in automatically and whether the rear wiper is activated when reverse gear is engaged. The Applications button, which resembles 4 squares, will allow you to use the apps within the vehicle, such as Apple CarPlay, Citroën connected apps, and Android Auto. Please note, to use these apps, you will need a vehicle-compatible smartphone. By pressing the Climate Control button, you'll be able to change the temperature, the level the fans are running at, and where the air is being distributed. The buttons at the bottom of the touchscreen will let you turn the air conditioning on or off, alter the auto AC function, and select if AC Max is on or off. In the top right-hand corner of the screen, there is the Settings cog. This will open a new menu. Once you've accessed this, press Options. A new menu will appear with the following options: System Settings, Languages, Setting the time and date, Screen configuration, Instrument panel personalization, and Profile settings. By clicking on System Settings, you'll be able to alter the units of measurement for speed and temperature within the car, alter the factory settings, view the system mode, and alter private mode. In the language option, you can change the language in which your menus appear. In time and date, you can alter the date and time manually, as well as change how that information is viewed. Within screen configuration, you can alter the animation of your screen and the brightness. To personalize your instrument panel, click the following button and choose from the options which part of the instrument panel you'd like to change. The Profiles button allows you to make changes to your saved profiles within the car. Pressing the Options button will allow you to set up the Bluetooth connection and Wi-Fi network. If at any point you'd like to return to the Home menu, tap 3 fingers on the touchscreen. Finally, on electric and plug-in hybrid vehicles, the Lightning Bolt button will provide you with the Energy tab. Within this tab, you can access the Flow menu, Statistics, Charge, and eSave menus. The Flow menu shows you a video of your vehicle and where the energy is coming from and going to. The Statistics menu allows you to identify what energy is being used and how that energy applies to your trip. The Charge options allow you to set deferred charge time. eSave allows you to choose how many miles you'd like to keep stored in the battery. You can turn this on and off from here, as well as choose a reserve mileage. This is useful if you'd like to save electric mode for the end of a journey. Should you require further information, please refer to the My Citroën app, where you'll find specific, more detailed videos on your Citroën.
Citroën.